here wants success here about something. Someone here feels challenged. Okay. Especially today, I'm getting this type of energy here of someone na hindi naman mainipin, pero parang meron tayong nakukuha ritong pagkainip na energy. Okay? So that's what we're gonna find out. Today's Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day, everyone. But I'm picking up that there's someone here na parang naiinip. Diba? So let's find out. Ano ba yun? Parang nag-iintay sa bintana or nag-iintay na umilaw yung cellphone kind of thing. And that's what we're gonna find out. Let's see. So, hi and hello new subscribers! By the way, my name is Yan. Welcome, welcome. At sa returning subscribers, maraming salamat sa patuloy at wala ninyong sawa na pag-support dito sa akin sa channel na ito. So yeah, let's find out messages here for your February 14, Valentine's Day. Let's see. Yeah, malalim ang iniisip for uploads energy, kakabanggit lang, abang-abang sa bintana kind of thing. Bintana ba to ng office, bintana ng house nyo, kung ano man yan, bintana ng school. Someone here's naiinip, waiting, thinking, ang daming iniisip. Valentine's ngayon na. Ano kayang meron sa akin ngayong araw na ito? Yan. Well, that's what we're gonna find out. Okay? Let's see. I'm here to help, honey. I'm here to help you find out things for today. Okay, let's go get those informations for you, sweetheart. Oh, keep it chill. Keep it chill daw. So it looks like, okay, the universe wants to send you some kind of message here. Okay, to keep it chill. Yan, no. Yung iba siguro, mga babes, no, this is you waiting, no. This is the um sunglasses here. So it looks like shades yan, no, for the eyes, no. But it's color pink and its shape is heart shape. So I do pick up that this is you, honey, no, na parang this is you today, sakto, 14. Today is 14, no, Valentine's Day. I do pick up that this is you, no, you're keeping it chill. You could be connecting here with someone special sa'yo, pwedeng wala pa kayong relationship, or pwedeng boyfriend, girlfriend, or asawa mo. You're keeping it chill, no, waiting ka lang, no. Kung may gagawin rito, no, yung partner mo or itong person na kakonect mo, no, today, parang kung may gagawin ba siyang something special for today, no, but you're spying. Because eyeglasses, sunglasses, especially sunglasses, no, hindi mo makikita yun, no. Syempre may other colors yun, either black, either blue, either Polaroid kind of thing, no. Here is pink and it's shaped heart. No, this is you, nag-aantay ka rito ng special na gagawin yung person mo, no. Nag-expect ka pero hindi mo masyadong pinapakita. You're spying, you're trying to control here your emotions, no, na wag kang mainis, no, or wag ka ritong parang masyadong magpahalata na nag-expect ka for today, no. Yung iba naman mga babes, it doesn't have to be na engrande yung ine-expect mo, pero this is you na parang sana may gawin siyang something special today. Yan, no, may ganun tayong nakukuha. So spirits are saying, keep it chill. Okay, don't overthink too much. Okay, keep it chill. You know what the vibe from here? It's like a paradise kind of thing. Okay, so umpisa pa lang, no, expect something positive na because it gives me this type of paradise vibe we're in. Paradise in tarot means happiness. So whatever the case may be, mukhang magiging happy ka today. Kaya naman, let's keep moving. We also have here this, yeah, Ace of Roses energy. Your person might give you this rose right here. Pwedeng bouquet of flowers kahit hindi rose. I do pick up that with the first impression rose right here. Others of you, pwedeng it's a confession here of someone na hindi ka aware na may gusto sa'yo, no? Meron tayong nakukuhang ganyan. Or someone will gift you a gift. Okay, will gift you a present here. Nakikita natin here, no, or your husband here, or your wife, no, pwedeng bigyan ka niya rito ng bouquet of flowers right here, or pwedeng umaga pa lang, I'm getting that, no, binigyan ka na niya, no, ng bulaklak, no, or kung hindi man bulaklak, no, I'm picking up that it's a form of a gift, no, na binigay niya sa'yo today, no. So I do pick up that that is something here na parang, I don't know, I'm getting this type of energy na parang yun na yun. So, pwedeng this is you, okay? I do pick up that you are not a materialistic one and you do not expect na magarbo yung today. Pero I do pick up that you want here some kind of spending time, no? Quality time, no? You're okay with gifts and presents, pero I think gusto mo yung quality time. Okay? Nakuha ko yung ganun eh, quality time kind of thing, or makasama mo yung special person na ito, no? Yan, okay? Yan. So, let's keep moving right here. We also have here this limo. This person, okay, pwedeng sunduin ka niya. Okay, doesn't have to be na may car siya. Yung iba, yes. Pwedeng motorcycle, pwedeng any vehicle, any car, any model of car, whatever. Kung wala man siya ritong car, it's okay because the limo is also an indication of travel. So, this person here, meron talaga siya ritong pag-travel papunta sa iyo. And the limo also signals here na meron siyang gagawin na bold move for today. Kaya naman sabi ko sa inyo, no, stay positive lang, no? So, yung iba nagtatampo dito, no, na ay, binigyan niya lang ako ng flower. Ay, nagpadala lang siya ng flower, no? Pero gusto mo siyang makasama today. Yun yung parang sinisigaw at pinipintig ng puso mo. Yung makasama mo siya for today, no? Yan. Okay? Yun, no? Yung makausap mo siya in person, hawakan mo yung hands niya in person, mahug mo siya today, or makiss mo siya today, mag-spend kayo ng time today, no? Parang, yun yung pinakakailangan mo. Okay? And I'm picking up that this person here will definitely gagawa siya rito ng movement today. And I don't know why I'm picking up na parang yung meron tayong energy dito na kukuha. Siguro may specific reader na birthday today. So, happy birthday and happy Valentine's sa inyo kung sino man yun. May mga may birthday today. So, yan, no? So, antaray. And yeah, let's keep moving right here. We also have here the Queen of Rings energy. Others of you, you could be a single mom or single dad, but I do pick up as well that generally, kung hindi ka man single mom or single dad, no, this person sees you as someone here na very maalaga, very nurturing, very caring, very loving, very mapagmahal, no? So, this person here could be someone na pwede ring asawa na nung iba sa inyo, no? Or this person here, pwedeng pinabaunan niya kayo rito. Tignan mo, ang cute ng lunchbox, no? Pwedeng pinabaunan niya kayo rito, no? Alam mo, nakikita niya sa inyo, no, yung isang future wife or future husband, no, malaki yung potential nyo na maging future wife or future husband. Ganun niya kayo nakikita kung boyfriend or girlfriend niyo pa lamang ito. At kung asawa niyo ito, napaka-sweet. Naman yan, no? Pinaghandaan niya pa talaga to lunch na ito, no? Tignan mo naman yan, no? Yan, no? Shinape niya pa ng star. Ito yung pineapple, yan, no? Diba? So, whatever the case may be, pwedeng pinabaunan niya kayo rito, no? Ng lunch for today, no? Or binigyan niya kayo rito ng rose. At meron pa rito note. So, I do pick up that, yan, have a fun day, love. Baka love yung tawagan ninyo, no? Pero that love in general, which means, no, special ka sa kanya. Kaya nga, tingnan mo yung pagkakaayos ng lunchbox, no? Yung iba naman, pwedeng hindi niya yan niluto 'no, lalo na kung hindi siya marunong. Puwede rin ng mga babes 'no, na pina-deliver niya 'yan 'no. Puwedeng nasa office ka tapos nagpa-deliver siya dito ng food mo 'no, 'yan 'no. Food mo na kasama na rin yung kakatata ng mga coffee, mga ganyan 'no, or puwedeng milk tea 'yun. So, puwedeng pinabaunan ka niya ng niluto niya, kung marunong siya magluto or kahit hindi basta nag-effort siya ro'n. Or puwede rin naman na nagpa-deliver siya ng food, okey, sa office or kung may pasok ka man ngayon, okey. Yung iba naman puwedeng pina-deliver yung roses 'no, pero iba talaga yung tiniti ano yun, pinipintig 'no ng reading na ito 'no, parang gusto mo talaga siyang makasama 'no, parang okey, 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 masaya naman ako, pinabaunan niya ako rito ng pagkain or um binigyan niya ako dito ng roses or binigyan niya ako dito ng flower or may binigay siya sa akin today, ano. Pero gusto ko talaga siyang makasama. Parang gano'n yung gusto mo, gusto ko talaga siyang makasama ngayong Valentine's, ano. Alam ko parehas kaming may trabaho, alam ko parehas kaming busy, ano. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung pinagagawa ninyo 'no, pero kasi alam naman natin na hindi holiday ang February 14. May pasok talaga 'yan kahit sa mga students, okay. So, nakikita ko 'yan dito that you want to spend 'no, bonding time together with this person here, 'yan 'no. Parang you're thankful, you're grateful na meron silang gifts sa'yo pero yun nga 'no, ito na ba yun? Ito na ba yung for today? Hindi ko man lang siya nakita o yung gano'n sa iba 'no, kasi puwede pina-deliver lang 'tong mga things na 'to sa'yo 'no. I do pick up that this person here will definitely kasi yun yung energy niya, main energy niya on the top, oh. 7 kasi is also that number of sikreto. Yan 'no. So, ibig sabihin mga babes 'no, this person here is keeping a secret na meron siya ritong bold move na gagawin. When we say bold, ibig sabihin talagang desisyon niya na yun. May gagawin talaga siya ngayong araw na 'to para sa'yo, okey? Pero sikretong malupit yun, okey? Yun yung nakikita ko rito. So, nakikita ko rito na bukod rito sa mga pinagbibigay at pina-deliver niya sa'yo or kung niluto niya man yan or meron man siya ritong ginawa na gamit ang sarili niya ritong kamay 'no, kasi yung iba puwedeng magaling sa arts, nag-craft siya 'no, or gumawa siya rito ng something, puwedeng card ta's meron siya ritong binigay na gawa ng kamay niya yun 'no. Nakita ko rito na bukod dun, akala mo yun na yun, hindi pa yun yun. Kasi may gagawin pa siya rito 'no na na alam niyang gustong-gusto mo. Alam niya kasi na ikaw yung klase ng person rito na parang, out of all the people na kilala mo 'no, siya yung favorite person mo, 'yan 'no. So, alam niya yun at alam niya rin na magiging sad ka today kapagka walang ganito. Yun yung nakita nakita ko rito 'no. So, kilala ka na niya, lalo na kung asawa ka niya or long term committed na kayo sa isa't isa 'no. Or yung iba naman puwedeng matagal niyo na kayong nililigawan pero hindi pa officially kayo 'no, kilala ka na niya, alam niya na hindi ka into material things. Alam niya na more likely na mas gusto mo yung love language na quality time o kaya yung bonding moment, alam niya yung mga ganyan. Kaya alam niya rin na siya yung favorite person mo. So yeah, let's keep moving right here. Also have yun na nga yung hinihintay, date card, yan 'no, date card, nakita mo? So, ibig sabihin mga babes 'no, yung iba, okey, lalo na kung masyadong unique ang person ninyo 'no, nakikita ko rito na puwedeng ilagay niya sa note dito 'no, na puwedeng basahin mo lahat, okey, kasi maaaring pinapapunta ka niya sa isang place 'no, or puwedeng meron siya dong minention 'no, na susunduin ka niya 'no, yung mga ganyan 'no, especially yan 'no, date card. I'm seeing date right here. And if this person is not yet revealing his or her emotions and feelings for you, especially if you are single, now then expect something special from this person here. This person will definitely ask you out on a date. Yan, no? Pero kinakabahan siya na baka i-reject mo, na especially if you are single here. Yan. So, yung iba, I don't know, pero maaaring this is someone here that is hindi mo gano'n kakilala, could be a stranger. It doesn't have to be a stranger, puwedeng alam mo lang yung pangalan niya pero hindi naman kayo close, 'no? So, that person might be asking you out on a date kasi this person likes you. Yun yung kita ko dito, no? And if you are in a special connection here, like you're talking with this person already or meron na kayong relasyon, no, asawa or boyfriend, girlfriend mo yan, nakita ko rito, no, na meron talaga siyang gagawin na magkakasama kayo today. So, I'm picking up that this person here will definitely susunduin ka niya sa school o sa trabaho to. Okay? Or this person here will rush home, no? Mamaya, syempre after, parang after work, after nung mga dapat niyang gawin. Or baka, yung iba nga pwedeng nag-leave na today, nag-half day, mga ganun, no? So, whatever the case may be, this person will definitely rush home. Kung nasa bahay ka ngayon, or your housewife here, or nasa house ka, whatever, this person will definitely come kung nasaan ka. Pupunta siya kung nasan ka. Ah, bongga. Kasi iba yung tatanong, bakit pa kasi Miss Yan hindi ginawang holiday ang February 14? Eh, bakit ako yung tinatanong nyo? Yan, no? So, nakikita ko dito with the Queen of Flutes energy, this person will definitely give you his or her heart. You will definitely feel so much love from this person today. And I do pick up na kung sino man to, no? Bago man tong person, this person is offering you his or her heart. So, pwedeng courtship yun. This person might be asking you out on a date, i-reveal niya na meron siyang feelings sa'yo at kung pwede ka ba niyang ligawan. This person is willing to take effort, no, to show you and express to you his or her intentions para sa'yo. And if this person here is may relationship na kayo or nag-uusap na kayo ngayon pero hindi pa kayo officially kayo with this caregiver here, you will definitely feel more love and more special today. Okay, dito sa person na to. So, kung sino man siya, definitely this is the energy here of someone na talagang in love siya sa'yo. Okay, kung sino man siya, no, nakikita ko rito na itong tao na to, no, kahit sa mga jokes niya, ramdam na ramdam mo na ikaw lang talaga. So, pwedeng mahilig siyang mag-joke, no, nakakatawa man or hindi nakakatawa, no, sa lahat ng sinasabi niya, sa actions niya, no, napaparamdam niya sa'yo na ikaw lang talaga. Okay? So, yeah, let's keep moving. Yun na nga yung sinasabi ko. Tingnan mo. Oh, Six of Rings energy. Quality time. So, tinan mo yan, no? Tinan mo, no? Maaring yung iba eksakto, mga babes, no? Na oras ng uwian, no? May eksaktong oras dito, okay? Doesn't have to be na 1:20 yan, no? Okay? Kasi dito 1:20 yung oras. No? But when you add 1:20, what will you get? Okay? You will get what? 30. Okay? And 3 plus 0 is 3. So, this person here will definitely bring balance here sa iyong kaisipan. Hindi ka mag-iisip, no, na mababaliwala lang tong araw na to, no. Pwede mo na ikalma yung sarili mo, no. This person, makikita mo siya. So, yung mga pinapadala niya sa'yo today, no, or yung mga pinabaon niya rito, no, nakala mo yun lang yun, no, hindi yun yun, kasi kilala ka niya, alam niya na gusto mo siyang makasama. So, this person here will definitely pop out, no, in person. Susunduin ka niya, no, magde-date kayo rito, dalawa lang kayo with the two of roses right here. So, pwedeng kayo ay kumain sa labas, yung gano'n, no, or magpunta kayo sa amusement park, yung mga ganyan, no. Or I'm getting this type of vibe na parang may kumakanta. So, pwedeng there could be an acoustic, no, band drone. Or pwede rin naman, no, that this person here wants to have a dinner date with you kung saan pwede kayong sumayaw. There's music, there's that voice singing, okay? So I think this is somewhat here romantic. This person wants to take you out. This person here, you will definitely see him or her, like you will definitely have that note. Okay, pwedeng nakasulat na yun sa pinadala niya sa'yo, bulaklak man yan, pagkain, o whatever, inumin, drinks. Or pwede naman na i-chat ka niya, i-text ka niya, no, like, I'm gonna pick you up 6 p.m. or I'm gonna pick you up 7 p.m. kind of thing. And then this is something here that you do not expect. Like, sabi niya, love talaga ako nito eh. Sabi na may lalabas kaming dalawa, eh. Sabi na, eh, ano, maaaring mag-movie date kayo, kain sa labas. This is something here, alam mo, like, this is you. You're just happy being with this person here. But today will be more special, okay? Like, this person here will show you, no, more love today because he or she knows that you value yung mga ganitong klase ng mga dates, no? Ganitong klase ng okasyon. Like this Valentine's Day, anniversary, monthsary kind of thing, okay? Like, this person here will make you more happy today. Kinda. Yeah. Okay? So, this person really knows your kilite kinda thing. So, alam niya, no, na siya yung favorite person mo. And yeah, look at that! King of Rings, others of you, maaaring pakasalan kayo niyan. Yung iba pwedeng live-in partner kayo, pero nakikita ko na today na, no, na ihahain niya sa inyo ito, no, sing-sing na to. So there could be someone here proposing to you, or you could be thinking of proposing to this person here. This person here is actually, okay, making today very special. Yung iba, okay, I'm seeing na magiging officially ng kayo getting into this relationship here, and that relationship will definitely lead to marriage, commitment, serious commitment, and lifelong talaga, no, na pagsasama here. This is someone here who is stable when it comes to his or her emotions and feelings, and someone who's definitely, certainly, okay, faithful. Yan yung nakikita ko here. Wow! Uy, okay, I see. We have here the villain and the tattletale, Six of Flutes energy. So there's this message here, like out of the blue. You might not be aware of this, pero sasabihin ko sa inyo. Okay? This message is an indication na binibigyan ako ng signal dito that one of your exes will definitely send you a message today, and it's some kind of an emotional message, okay? An emotional message, and your ex na tinutukoy rito is connecting here with the third party. So I don't know if yun yung person na in-involve niya na third party sa inyo before, pero meron siyang kakonek ngayon na iba. Pero with this tattletale right here, I think this person here gusto niya makawala dun sa third party. Third party talaga ito, no? At maaaring batiin ka kasi ng ex mo, no? At baka yun ang ikagalit ng kanyang third party rito, no? Today, maaaring may magbati sa'yo, no? Because today is somewhat very special, no? For those labidabis. And this person here will definitely send you a message. Oh, this rat right here, this rat looks like a dagang canal. So whatever the case may be, I think this person here wants changes because I'm seeing double fives, and I'm also seeing right here number six. And number six is a strong indication of past memories. So I think this person here really is considering you more kaysa rito sa third party. So may selos tayo nakukuha sa third party kasi maaaring mabasa niya yung mga mensahe. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yan, no? Hinubo lang sa med. Nakita ko kasi dito na with this lots of dialogues without words here, I think naipon na yung mga gustong sabihin sa'yo ng ex mo, no? And I think today, he or she is going to send you a message at maaaring mabasa yun ng third party. Yan, no? So, nakikita ko naman na hindi naman ikaw yung aawayin ng third party, pero nakikita ko na mag-aaway sila. Parang, bakit pa kailangan i-text yung ex mo? Bakit pa kailangan batiin ng Happy Valentine's yun? Eh, ako yung partner mo ngayon. Oo, mga panggulo tong mga to rito sa reading mo, pero yun talaga yung nakita ko. So, I do pick up, no, that someone's ex, okay, will not be okay na isendan ka pa nila ng message ito. Like ikaw, ba't nag-send pa to ng message eh? Tagal na naming wala. Or ba't nag-send pa to ng message eh, may bago na nga ako. Ayan 'no. So, nakikita ko rito na hindi 'to nakaka-move on sa'yo. Meron siyang mga pinagdadanas ngayon na sitwasyon kung saan nakikita ko rito na lumalabas siya bilang isang dagang kanal. So, ibig sabihin, okay, in Filipino we have that, 'di ba, parang kasabihan 'no, na yung parang yun nga yung, mahirap pa sa daga kind of thing 'no. Pero hindi ko naman nakikita na, um, na isa talaga siyang daga ngayon, pero nakikita ko siya 'no, na puwedeng mag-apply sa kanya yung gano'n na kasabihan. Because this person here is actually dumadana siya ngayon ng suffering, okay? That's the word that I'm getting 'no, sa sitwasyon niya ngayon together with the third party. Excuse me. And yeah, we have here this Knight of Roses energy, the Bachelor, and we have, yeah, look at that. It's definitely a date right here. No, nakaayos talaga kayong dalawa, your person here. So you might want to prepare yourself for a date because your person will definitely prepare something special for you today. So yeah, you're not expecting this pero iniintay mo yun, no? Really keep it chill. But okay, whoever this individual is connecting with you in a heart space level, I think this is someone here, no, na with the Knight of Roses, wagi na ito sa buhay mo. So nakikita ko na talaga kayo rito, no, na mapagsasaluhan nyo, no, isang wonderful connection. Yan. Ang cute kasi nakita ko dito ng parang aso't pusa kayo kind of thing. Puwedeng mahilig kasi kayo mag-asaran sa isa't isa 'no, or you will be, especially if magiging officially pa lang na kayo nitong person na 'to. But definitely, this is the type of person here 'no, na, you feel like compatible kayo, 'yan 'no. And this person here will definitely understand you for who you are, no? Especially your mood. Kasi nakuha ko dito ng yung mood swings mo, yung kahit wala ka naman, no? Yung, that um, period, no? Sa mga girls, kung may girls here, no? Kahit wala ka today, no? Na period, this person understands your mood swings. Especially kung paiba-iba yung moods mo. Okay? So yeah, these are all the messages I've got here for you guys. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone! So thank you so much. Sana ngayong love and light. Annyeong.